Hey guys, this is Wes. Welcome to the show. I've got a little interesting project that went nowhere to share with you. This is just if you're familiar with QR codes, that's the on the paper on the right that I'm painting from. These are computer generated graphics that when used with a smartphone, you can put a link to a website, and I made one for my website, wessf.com, and I'm just trying to freeform paint this, and my goal was to get it to a point close enough to where I could scan it with my QR scanner on my phone. But once I started, I realized pretty quickly that this is probably not going to work very well. And, there's a slight spoiler. It doesn't work very well. It ends up not, the point, here's the bottom line. I think I could have gotten it to read on a scanner with a scanner. However, that amount of resolution, that amount of detail would get out of the realm of, fine art painting like I do and into the world of graphic design, where I go in with, more precise instruments, or even using brushes. It could be done, but it would have to be used using rulers and that sort of thing. But this was just a fun little spur of the moment attempt I had at it. And it's on cardboard, corrugated cardboard that I just painted white with some gesso, and now I'm just going back and forth between the darker colors and white, trying to get it closer and closer to the image. The only other thing I got out of it was that it'd be interesting to do another version of this on a larger scale, just as an abstract painting. It'd be pretty fun. It sort of looks, Aztec in nature, some kind of just the graphic design nature of it. We've done a similar type of project in a way, using making a chessboard just on a piece of hardboard and using acrylic paints. And that was a matter of, keeping all the squares aligned and then correcting as I went. That worked out well enough, but that's not as challenging as getting all these maze-like things in line with each other. Here I'm coming back with China markers, white and black, which actually creates kind of a cool effect, cool looking little lines that look like chalk on a chalkboard or something here and there. So if I were to redo this as an abstract painting, I would use some kind of effect like that probably. But anyway, just thought I'd show this interesting side project that I attempted. As you can see at the bottom right was the laziest part of the effort that I made. It just, I think as I was going down, I was getting the top part closer to the image, but as I went further down, everything kept getting further and further away from where it should be, and I just, by the end of this, I ended up not really caring to finish it. So that's where it ended up. I think that's all I've got for you for this one. Just wanted to share that not every project I work on ends up with a successful painting. A lot of times things just get painted over. This one, I may work on it more with some different colors and turn it into something I can hang on the wall in the studio. But other than that, it's just a learning experience. If I have some kind of project like this where I need that much resolution, I'd probably just do it on a computer and print it out, or use pencil and pens. Here's the the actual barcode or the QR code if you want to scan it with your smartphone, and check out my website. You might need to pause the video.